So we're going to talk about metric units. Exapeta, tetra, giga, mega, kilo, hecto, hecta. Welcome to Zoomer's Chem Sample Chemistry class. Today we're going to talk about unit conversion. The most important thing here is to write out all of the units. A simple metric unit is called centi, or 1/100, or 0.01. For example, you have centimeter, which is 100th of a meter, centigram, 100th of a gram, and so your cat is basically 100th of at. Now, something school has taught me is that words make no sense, so here we are with an example. Now we know that 1 centimeter equals 0.01 meter. The question is, 100 meters equals how many centimeters? So, to do that, we first write out the units, meters, centimeters. And notice how we want to somehow create the centimeter, but we want to cancel out the meters. So, as in math, we put meter on the denominator and cm on the numerator. Then we plug in the numbers. 1 centimeter equals 0.01 meter, so 1 on top, 0.01 on the bottom. 1 centimeter, 0.01 meter. Okay, now we start with 100 meters. So if you want to use a calculator, our answer will be 10,000 centimeters. Now here's something a little bit more complex. 20 meters equals to how many inches? The information we're given are 1 meter equals 3.28 feet and 1 foot is 12 inches. So as usual, we write out our units first. We have meters, we want to go to inch. Alright, so to do that, we want inch on top, meters on the bottom, right? But an issue is we do not know the direct conversion between inch and meter. We know inch and foot, and foot and meters, but we don't know inch and meters. So we are gonna have one extra step. We're gonna convert meters to feet first. So meters on the bottom, feet on top. Then we're gonna convert feet to inches. So feet on the bottom, inch on top. 1 feet equals to 12 inches. 1 meter equals to 3.28 feet. So if we plug in 20 meters and then we plug in this to the calculator, we're going to get 20 times 3.28 times 12, which is 787.2 inches. Now that's a lot of inches. So final giveaway. Now here's a life lesson. Want to feel healthy? Use the right unit. Even if you only walked 20 meters today, you surely have traveled through a lot of inches. There you go. That's a new skill you learned today.